Doing a review of the Doosl DS018 headphones. As you can see, the box itself is pretty nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Take a good look. This is what you're going to get. These are gorgeous. And I must say, very affordable. As you open up, here's what you have. Beautiful packaging, of course. And let's take a look at the actual product. Wow. Look at that. Kind of remind me of diamonds. When you look at it, it just had the look of a diamond. Beautiful. And of course, you're also great with this. Different style, different sizes. So you can always change up your earbuds, of course. Just in case the ones that comes with on it is a little too big or a little too small, you can always change it up to a different size. Now let's take a look at the product itself. Here's what we have in the box. You have a nice little leather carrying case, of course. Very nice. An added bonus. And you have a little card in here. Yeah. But this is the main part that we're all interested in. And we're going to try and test it out and see the performance of this thing. The foam, it's really nice. I'm loving these already. And haven't even tried them yet. But I'm loving them. Now let's see if we can get all this untangled a little bit here. Shouldn't be that hard. Very nice. As you can see, this is what we have. Nice mesh wiring. Not very tangleable, so you're pretty good. It won't tangle a lot on you. Seems pretty sturdy. You also have a little piece right here where you can adjust the headphones or the earbuds to, your liking. Look at that. Moves up and down. Pretty good. And take a look at these, people. Just take a look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love it. Wow. Excuse me, but I'm going to take a listen. Oh, yes, indeed. Wow. Well, I know you guys can't hear it right now. Maybe you could, because they're pretty loud. The quality of sound is exceptional. Very nice. I give these a 5-star. Not only because of the diamond cut, but because of the sound quality and the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. The sound quality is exceptional. The price is unbelievable. You won't go wrong and you won't be disappointed with these. Thank you and have a great day.